first harvest. So
This
just want
is
to
my,
show you guys my spinach from my
second
garden.
week
Little garden.
after
This is my first
I planted my
harvest.
vegetables.
Yay.
That's my front yard gardening. Only
front garden.
tiny spot, but I made it. That's my first harvest of spinach.
It's all beans.
That one is what do you call that? That is
garlic,
beans, bagu beans, peppers, tomatoes,
like a bush, lima beans. This one I need to put something there. Peppers.
there's corn, right?
Let's see.
Tiny place.
Eggplant. They're still
There.
small. They don't grow.
I didn't think the corn
Lots of
will
spices.
grow. I just tried to
I put the spices.
plant
in
it there.
because I
And
don't
I
have
had a
enough
little
space.
onion there, spring onion, and garlic as well.
And
That garden is that's what you call mixed gardening, okay?
I took some from my tinola.
I did too, lots of different kind of spices in there as well. And look at this. This is a mustard tree. Mustard. That's really exactly 2 weeks. And that's my first harvest as well. That's only in our deck. There. And I'm going to give some for my friend, for her to taste, because she likes mustard as well. Yeah, and some already flowering. That's why I need to be hurried to, harvest them. But I might leave some for them to how to say that, to grow seeds for the next year seedlings. Did you see that? I planted mustard in one pot with the beans. I just put in between. I just mix them just to try if they will become successful. They are very healthy because it keeps on raining like 3 consecutive days, and then they grew up right away, like exactly 2 weeks, and they are ready to eat. Of course, you cook first, or I think you can eat like that too, raw, right? I usually pull them though too. Ang dami, guys. Ganyan lang ginagawa ko. Tingnan nyo yun, kasabayan niya yun. Doon ako nag-seedlings kasi. Tapos transfer ko. Tapos yan yung mga naiwan doon. Maliliit. E tingnan nyo naman itong mga kasama niya. Matataba na siya. Tapos, ayan, oh. O, diba? At least, walang fertilizer yan. May mga uod din, pa isa-isa. Pero kung doon kayo magtanim sa ground, doon sa front yard, yung mga dahon talaga kinain ng mga uod. Pero dito sa deck, wala.